frightening and exciting. Premiere days are frightening and exciting. That's what they're like, and I can't do anything now. Up until yesterday, if something went wrong, I can stop and say no, and fix it. I can't do that anymore. It's up to them.
Yes, I'm excited about tonight, but I'm more interested than excited because there are so many places where I'm like, are we doing it right? But maybe we are, I don't know, because I can't see the stage. They seem to be doing fantastic work, so we'll see what happens. We're still humans, so mistakes are allowed. Not too much, but...
Känner du någon som kommer idag?
Ja, Johan kommer.
Ja,
och Johans mamma och hennes man.
Man blir nervös när man tänker på vilka som kommer hit och att folk har åkt hit och sådär. Men jag tror att man får då försöka tänka bort det. Det är ju fullsatt i slutsåld sen ganska länge, tror jag. Ja, men jag är lite nervös, men jag tror att jag är bra nervös.
Well, I've had a lot of premieres in my life, of course, but I know that for the students it's something very special. So I can, not yet because there's not so many here yet, but soon I can also feel their nervosity, kanske.
There are lots of directors who won't watch premieres because they can't bear it. I could not leave them in that dark room by themselves. I have to be in there with them to metaphorically hold their hand.
Well, I feel nervous, excited. I don't know. I try not to think.
Alltså jag tror jag kommer fixa det. Jag tar ju mig igenom det. Men alltså jag har ju ganska höga krav på mig själv. Det är ändå en slutproduktion, så att det är klart att man vill att det ska vara sitt allra bästa.
We're as prepared as we'll ever be.